If you want an Android TV box, then this is the video for you. We got our hands on the Xiaomi Mi Box S, a relatively affordable streaming device that gives you some useful functionality. With its updated Android TV interface, generous selection of streaming services, and affordable price, and well-designed remote, it's definitely a great option if you're looking for a streaming device that costs less than $100, although it might not be an ideal product for you when you're looking at what else is out there. In this video, we'll be going over key features, seeing what this product is actually good for, and how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. To set this up, you'll need to plug the Box S into the back of your television using the included HDMI cable. When you power up the device, it'll take you through the Wi-Fi setup to connect to your network. You can also set it up through the Google Home app and log into your account using your Google Assistant capabilities to control your home ecosystem. Setting up the Chromecast and Bluetooth features to connect to other devices is really easy. It comes with some pre-installed apps and you can download additional services from the Play Store. It has a minimalist design with a matte black plastic frame that won't draw much attention, and it's relatively small, so you should be able to easily hide it beside your home theater setup. It has a large heatsink that dissipates heat to maintain the appropriate temperature for optimal performance, and it comes with a solid array of ports for a sub $100 option, which includes the DC power in, an HDMI 2 port, a USB 2 port to connect a flash drive for local media streaming, and a hybrid audio port. I was disappointed that it lacks an Ethernet port, but with the newer Wi-Fi MIMO technology, it delivered a dependable connection. It also has Google's data saver function to stream your connection without consuming lots of data, which is really good if you're using it on a hotspot. I thought that the interface was intuitive to use, and it utilizes the latest Android TV 8 software to provide a solid experience with some useful features. You can customize the top row for easy access to your preferred apps, and it has plenty of suggested content that can easily be adjusted to your liking. While the interface can lag at times, this is kind of expected given the price. It gives you some comprehensive support for thousands of apps, which include Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, YouTube, and even TikTok. The apps are optimized for your TV, and you can sign into the apps either automatically through your Google account or by using a QR code. It also provides a respectable amount of games available for download, and I like that it gives you a Chromecast feature so you can conveniently broadcast content from your phone to the TV. If you're enjoying this video and you learned something about the Xiaomi Mi Box S, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. I thought the overall performance was responsive, and it uses a quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of additional storage, and 8 gigs of internal storage for relatively smooth switching between apps. It's powerful enough to stream 4K Ultra HD content at 60 frames a second, and it delivers an excellent picture quality with vibrant colors, although the 4K streaming can occasionally feel a little bit choppy. It also supports a solid range of formats, including content up to HDR10, but it's disappointing that it lacks Dolby Vision and Atmos compatibility like many of the other competitors in the sub $100 price range. But it reliably supports Adobe DTS2 audio, and I was genuinely impressed by the sound profile. The remote is well designed and it feels nice to hold. It has a solid range of controls, including the standard power and volume buttons, a back button, a directional pad to easily navigate the interface, and dedicated hotkeys to activate Prime Video, Netflix, and Google Assistant. It also utilizes a Bluetooth connection, so it registers commands more reliably, and it requires 2 AAA batteries to run, but they aren't included in the box. The Google Assistant voice support is solid, and it allows you to conveniently search content from multiple apps, ask simple questions, and control your smart home hands-free. If you're not invested in a Google ecosystem and you want an alternative under $100, the cheaper Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K comes with a smaller form factor that supports Alexa, and it has the 4K and Dolby Vision support, but its content is Amazon dominated. Overall, I think that the Xiaomi Mi Box S is a solid Android TV box that has some really useful features. It provides a user-friendly interface with generous app support and an impressive picture quality, so it's easy to see why it's among the best streaming devices for under $100, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone on a budget. The Xiaomi Mi Box S provides a solid Android TV experience, and it's designed to provide quality streaming at a reasonable price. Despite its decent all-around performance, it won't suit every user, and I believe that some of the competitors might offer more value and better performance at a similar price point. If you're looking for something very similar and just a bit better in most areas, I would look towards the Roku Ultra, which is also just under $100, but to be fair, the Roku Ultra might be the best value streaming device on the market right now. If you want something cheaper, then you can't go wrong with the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K either. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, check out the description, and if you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.